Hi, this is Rachelle, Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to do the next week in my B6 Stalogy. This is what it looks like, and I recently got this cover from Print Pression during their 50% off sale. I wasn't quite thrilled with the color in the beginning. I do like a pink planner, but it is growing on me, and I do like the way that it fits on the B6 Stalogy, even though it's pretty stuffed. And I like that I have the two snaps so that when it bulks up even more, I'll still be able to close it, hopefully. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've worked on it a lot recently. Oh, the cover is also a traveler's notebook cover. It's not specifically, I think, a notebook cover. It's more for traveler's notebooks, but it works great for the Stalogy. So I wanted to show you these, even though I've taken a couple of the branding stickers off. This is a collab between Scrapcraftastic, which is me, and COCO'S Vision. So I printed it twice. So it's a mini kit with full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, a weekend banner, to do and today stickers, some checklists, some other boxes, a tracker, the days of the month, and date covers, and like a payment or bill sticker. Just a small mini kit to commemorate St. Patrick's Day in your planner or notebook. This is our second collab, I believe. And this kit is available to all levels of Scrapcraftastic patrons. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, it is there on Patreon for you to download. It's a digital. If you would like a digital or physical version of the kit, you can get that from COCO'S Vision shop. I'll put all the information in the description box below, and you can also use my discount code. But go over and check this out. It was released recently, so you should still be able to get your hands on it. So again, the kit, St. Patty's mini kit, is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons and in the COCO'S Vision shop. Okay, so I have that stuck in here so that I can use it for St. Patrick's Day, the week of St. Patrick's Day. And I had already kind of allotted pages for certain weeks, but I think I'm going to end up changing that because I'm going to do a little something different for the body book. Anywho, so those can stay back there. So this is the previous week. I have to fill some things in, but this is the next week, which is what, the 26th through March 3rd. So I'm not going to do the March calendar here. I'm going to do it after this spread. And I'm going to use these leftovers, some of these are leftovers, Zura and Lance Unity stickers, and then the I Rise kit. I'm going to use that. So I'm going to combine these two since this is the last week of Black History Month. Did I do anything Black History Month in here? I don't think I really did. Yeah, no. So this will be my Black History Month spread. Okay. Now I kind of wanted to do down the sides like this. I like this layout. I wanted to stick with that, but I'm not sure how I can make that work. And also I'm going to put this page in. Since I had already printed these, I'm going to use this. This is the insert that I printed to use for the body book. I'm going to go ahead and cut this down. Usually I prefer to use 20-pound paper when I'm adding in pages like this, but I'd already printed this on 32 pounds, so I'm just going to have to suffer with the thick paper because, again, I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm going to use them. Okay, and this is another one that I can use on another week or for something else. Let's see. Let's glue that in. Did I show you the washi? I pulled these washis. They're a little random, but hopefully they'll work. I might have moved that over a little bit too much. Let's see. I'm going to use these as washi. I can probably still use some of this washi. Let's find the center. And I'm going to use this black. Or should I use this green? No, I don't like the green. I'm going to use the black. So this looks a little bare now. Wonder, can we incorporate this washi? I don't like boxing in my pages like that. I don't think so. We're just gonna roll with it being a little empty. So let's use these days of the week. They are full squares or rectangles. So there is my week. I need to put down some dates. Let's grab Mojo Jojo plans. I think what I'm going to try and start doing is picking a number style and stick with that number style throughout the whole month so that I don't end up with straggler numbers just hanging out there, if you know what I mean. What's this month? We only have 29 days. So 1, 2, 3. So see, I'll have those stragglers and the 30, which couldn't be helped because we got a short month. Then let's see what else we got to work with here. I wanted to put unity down the side there, but I think I'm going to put it down this side. Repair where I tore the sticker. And I guess I'm going to use them here like I did before to divide the days, but they take up so much space. Let me put down some boxes first. That's crooked, but it's gonna have to work. It's still taking up way too much space, but it can't be helped. Okay, so I do need to do something on the first of the month to prepare for Easter. Let's see, are there any appointments this week? I don't think so. But I do need to do something specific on Saturday. So I'm going to do this and try to get it in here. I'm not sure how crooked that is, but I'm not going to sweat it. Okay, this one says, bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise. That's Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou. Now, can I get that off without tearing it? I think I want to put that down here. Do I want to put it up at the top? decisions. I think I will. And maybe I can come back and decorate with something up there too. And this one is from Viola Davis. What the caterpillar calls the end of the world, the master calls the butterfly. All right. Anything else I can use? Let's take this box. Thursday is trash, so I'm going to put that up here. So I can put that sticker on there. Then Tuesday. I used all the boxes. Let's see, Friday is for the mail. So I'm going to use this little envelope icon for when I put my post office sticker. I'm not sure that I need these. This is shopping. I'm not sure what that other one is. Probably a bill. So I'm going to put that there for groceries. All right. I think I'm done. So, I need to use this quote. I didn't want to have to chop it up, but I'm going to chop it up. Oh, it'll fit. I'm going to use it here. Okay. That worked out. All right. So I just have these few bits left that I can put in my leftover sticker book. All right. So these are my script stickers. Let's use one of these to-do stickers. I'm going to do what I usually do and just go through and take off the stickers that I know I need to use so that I don't have to keep just going back and forth, back and forth. All right, I was trying to find the Sunday reset stickers, but I'm sure I'll stumble upon it sometime during the week. Let's put these down, then I'm going to come back and date this. So I'm going to do the post office run. Trash day.
Are you recording?
Yeah. What you need? Okay, let's see. Plan next week. Can go down here in the corner. I wanted to put one of these here because I need to do one for Saturday and Sunday. I did my gym time, which is what I'm calling treadmill time. So I need another one of those. I decided I want to use those up. There's the Sunday reset. Let's use the pink. Ew, it's dark. Yikes. I didn't expect it to be that dark. Too late now. And then I'm just going to use one of these. So some of these are the metallic tool pens that I have had for a while. I had them stored in a, let's put these back. They were stored in a pen case and I wasn't using them, so I decided to take them out of the pen case. This is really an obnoxious color, but I'm going to use it anyway. So we got 26. And then I'm going to write over here. This is Elite Day. Feels like it's a little naked. Where's the gray? Know that helps anything. That didn't really do much. Is there anything in here that can help pull this together? Let's see if I can use some of these black background stickers. Okay, I don't really like that, but I started it, so I decided to go roll with it. It doesn't look that great, but it's fine. So that is my Unity Black History spread. I used 2 kits from Let's Get Planned. The dates are from Mojo Jojo Plans. These black stickers are from CHELA Plan. The insert is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons depending on what tier you are. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.